Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. Tonight we're in Togo. On tonight's menu, Gboma Dessi. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. All the goodies for the broth. Add some water and I'll bring to a boil. And once it boils, I'll simmer for about 20 minutes. Here's the beautiful chicken broth. And here's the cooked chicken. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. I coat the chicken with the spice blend. I heat some oil in the brazier. I add the chicken and saute for a few minutes. Then I remove the chicken and set aside. Then I add the onions and give the saute for a few minutes. Then I add the ginger and the garlic and saute for about 30 seconds. Then I add some tomato paste and stir it in. Then I add the ground pumpkin seeds and some pepper. Then I add the broth. Bring it to a simmer. And I'll let this simmer for about 20 minutes. After the simmer, I re-add the chicken and the smoked salmon. Then after a stir, I add some Roma tomato. And then I add the spinach. After stirring in the spinach to wilt, here's the finish in the brazier. The rice is ready. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoy this presentation. Have fun cooking.